Don't give a damn about my problems now. I'ma run away, run away. I can run till the sun goes down. I'ma run away, run away.
Is the new board. Good morning, guys. This is another episode about how we're prepping for the market. Usually I do a day before because I am a full-time working graphic designer at the company. Because when I come back I am so tired and now I got a bit sick, so I can't talk very loud. And today I'm gonna do all the preppings, peeling the plastic films, packaging, cut all the news price tags. I put a new trolley. I'm gonna show you guys later about the trolley. When I'm done pack everything, I will put everything inside the trolley. It'll be easier for me and my husband to carry everything to the event. Hey, because I was recording. You opened the door. You shocked me.
Why?
I was recording. Yeah. It was not a very good thing to get sick before the market. I've been wearing masks at office since yesterday, wearing for like the whole day. Because I'm really scared that it will infect my colleagues. So hope everything is okay. So at the market I wouldn't feel so hard because it's an outdoor market. It's gonna be super hot and humid, and Malaysian's weather is crazy. I think everyone knows that. I think everyone is interested in how I prep for the market and how I shoot at the market, what's happening at the market. So I'll actually do another one video. Yeah, so please God bless me. I really want to recover fast now. I'm gonna go see doctor and eat. After that I'm gonna come back, do all the packagings again. The standy one. This is the standy, and this is the base. So when you want to buy it, it comes together like this. So now I got this box for tomorrow market. This is gonna be outdoor. It's gonna be hot. I bought an extra fan. Wow. It works well now because I think because the socket that they gave me, it doesn't suit with this fan. So I exchanged it with my oven socket. There's also this one, same, but somehow this one works. So I used the one that they gave me, exchange with the oven, and now the oven one comes here with the fan. It works well. Quite cool, windy. Let's get the strongest one. Right now I'm back to the packing stations. I still have a lot of this. I still have maybe half of the stacks in the box. So I'm gonna finish this back card design, then I'll print a new one. Start to pack this off. It really feels so much better after I got this pen. Maybe I need to pay more electricity, but really worth it. there's something else that I can share with you guys. Prepare more for the market. So these are all the packaging that I'm gonna bring with the card paper. I basically bring all the prints and stickers that I printed, extra packaging, the back cards, extra back cards, and extra back cards that is already in the plastic bag. So when you need it, you won't panic to like pack everything like this, because in the last market I was panicked. Some plastic bag for the postcards, then some small size for the keychains and standees. Yes, please prepare more before you started panic. Hi baby. Bye. She just eat and now she wants some pets.
금요일 늦은 저녁 다들 들떠 있는데 나만 우울한가 봐. 기분 안 나. 사실 조금 짜증나. 너와 나 사이 거리 멀고 먼 20cm. 뭐가 그리 좋은지 아주 신이 나셨네. 나는 오늘도 존재가 못다. 오늘 지나 이틀은 너를 볼 수 없잖아. 매일 봐도 부족한데 아는 척 난 모른 척 하는 거니 그렇다. 넌
Baby.
고수 야이 멍청아 멍청아 내 맘이 안 보이니. 월요일만 기다리는 난데 너 빼고
Good morning,
다 알아.
everyone.
내가 너를
This
좋아한다는
is
거.
Baby
너만 바라본다는 거.
introducing you
Ever come
the
Friday.
vlog of
금요일이나
the
싫어. 일 끝나고 놀아도 싫어. 불타는 금요일 내겐 아무 의미 없는데 나만 힘든 듯 월요일 바쁜 아침 다들 피곤한 얼굴 나만 즐거운가 봐. 자꾸 웃음이 나와. 길이 막혀도 그저 행복해. 오늘부터 5일은 너를 볼 수 있잖아. 매일 봐도
Well,
새로운
I was looking serious in front of the computer.
모르는 척
I think I'm doing work.
넌 물어봐.
No, I'm not. I am calculating, packing for the market, which I still have some other things to do. I am watching YouTube right now. With this, me watching Jane Chuck during the chaos, packing. I just really want to procrastinating. I just done packing for the keychains. This pack is for booth display. One is extra that I can pack at the spot. Actually, I do pack like this much. But if some of the items sold out, then if I got some free time at the booth, then I will pack more, because I don't know which one will sell more yet. I don't know yet, because each event have their own target audience. So for pop socket, pack this much for two first. and then the rest of it is for display and extra stuff. Yeah, bring your name card is really important, so you can put it right in front of your booth table. When people come, you can just pass it to them, in case if they want like any customized portrait, customized drawing that you can do. Now we gonna move on to the other thing. This is the other thing I'm talking about. I ordered this, I think it's from last 2 weeks, and then I actually made customizations banner for myself. I'm gonna start to attach it together, so they actually give strings, then you pull through it like this. Like this. So I'm gonna hang it, I don't know where yet, but maybe in front of the table of my booth or above. I don't know yet, but I really like this. I do the customized design by myself, and then I sent it to the supplier, and I told them I want to look like this, and it turns out pretty well. I really like this. Yep. Those were the pre-order. It's really cute. So I'm just gonna use the nano tape and tape it on the back. This is from the basket or the table. It's the new board I'm bringing to the event because I really miss my cat all the time. So this is like 3 of them. This is baby, peanut butter, and flour. And it's written bringing my cat out because I was inspired by them or miss. Aww. Well, they're even little cute on the board. I can't help. I'm gonna bring them everywhere now. This is the trolley that I got. So you just push it like this. I use it to play around with my cat and put them inside. Like 3. It's only one cat up there, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. He's in a cart now. You like it? He's the only cat who likes this. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna put into the cart. Extension that I got. Then we can put some here. And this is important as well. This is the rainproof cover for the booth. So